Hello, my name is Seth Corbrand, and this is a little demo game that I built to kind of show off my skills and um, what I'm able to do in Unreal as a date. Just some stuff that I've been working on. So I designed this little warehouse, I guess you would say, added in some windows, stuff like that. Got some textures set up, kind of like the ceiling. It's like reflective metallic structure. Representing the school, as this is going to be part of my portfolio for the university. So, got to represent. Um, got just some basic things that I implemented as far as like assets. So, I have an industry props pack, which has all these, and I can implement those in. And all of these have physics attached to them as well. So, I am able to go ahead and shoot them. So, I'll kind of give a demo based off of the game right now. So in here we can see I have some projectiles set up so that wherever I look, it'll shoot them. And all of these do have physics attached, so I can go ahead and kind of just take out this UVU. And it's kind of a fun little like demo showing all the collision and everything like that. This also has it on here. These ramps I actually have set as childs to the sides of it, as this isn't a whole object. So I kind of combined and made this into one. I have the cardboard stuff. As you can see on the top left, it does show my projectiles. It shows the count, so how much ammo I have left. I do have an ammo count in here as well, so we can kind of show that. Have a feature set up in here as well, so that when I run out of ammo, it is going to restart the level for me if I don't continue pressing shoot. So the second I do that, it goes ahead and it restarts that level for me. So if you spawn and shoot a bunch of projectiles, and let's say you just don't manage to destroy all of the UVU, you just let chill. You can move around and it should reset. Yep. So it'll reset automatically as long as you aren't shooting, as long as you aren't spamming that shoot button. So we got this kind of just cool little thing showing off my collision. I did design the ball and this room I designed as well. It's not an implemented asset. It's a room that I designed from the ground up. I have all these windows which have little boxes. All the boxes have subtractive components on them. So it takes out area inside of these, and I kind of have them set up. And then I designed this room as a whole block, and then designed another block in here as well, so that it you can see all the windows are subtractive. I have everything kind of put up into things. These are all the barrels. You know, we have quite a bit of barrels, but I have a basic wall, which is all the walls here, and then I have a subtract wall. And the subtract wall I have set up so that it will go ahead and subtract all of it. It's just slightly less than what this wall is set to for the properties. I could probably show that here. Yeah, so if you look 36, 29, and 960, and then if we look at this other wall, the subtract wall, it's a little bit different. So I have it set where the subtract wall just instantly takes out the area and makes it so that it has room in here, and I added windows and the features and stuff like that. Going into my code, here is my blueprint. And I'll kind of break it down. I worked on some functions and stuff like that in here, but like a basic, you can see, you know, spacebar. When you press it, it goes to this branch here, and this branch, if it's true and you have ammo, then it'll spawn projectile. It has a decreased ammo count, and then it'll print your ammo. If it's false, if you don't have ammo, it's going to go down here, and it's going to just say out of ammo, restart in 5 seconds. This is a delay that I have set up, so every 5 seconds it's going to reset that after you run out of ammo, so it has a true-false condition. And then this is restart level. And I'll kind of go into each of these and show like the code that I have. So here's the nodes going in, you know, just restart level, get level. So this does each level, it'll get the current level and restart it. So if I decide to rename the level, it's not going to go off of the name of the level, it's going to go off of what the current level is. Which is kind of a cool little thing, I think so. You have the delay. Here we have our print ammo string. So just a basic, you know, print ammo. Basically, if you have ammo, it goes in here, etc. We have our decrease ammo. So this just has it set, you know, every time you shoot, it'll decrease ammo by 1, is the integer here. And then this is our spawn projectile one, kind of the lengthier one, you know. So we have get player pawn. So this is set up that when you start shooting, it gets your location, and then it'll spawn it where you are looking at. So that way you can shoot projectiles kind of wherever you're at. We have get actor location. We have the control rotation, which is set to that allows it to shoot where you're going to actually go. So we have that going into here, your spawn transform. We have this, which is a separate little code, a launch code that I also designed and have in here. And so this kind of just shows, you know, everything going on with that. Can go back in here. I also put everything in here. So I designed it where the projectile is stored inside, like to spawn a projectile, is stored inside of the blueprint projectile as well, because I kind of like that. We'll go back to our event graph. We have our print string, our branches. We have our has ammo. So if we have ammo to kind of, you know, we'll go back into here. But yeah, print welcome message. So it prints a message at the start. He shows all of the functions that I have kind of in here as well. We have decrease ammo, print ammo, spawn projectile. I did all this to kind of make it a little easier for everyone to read what the code is, and then you can click on it and see what the nodes actually do inside of here, all of the functions and everything like that. But that way it's a little bit cleaner. Yeah, so this is kind of my little demo of warehouse abilities and showing that I can use blueprint functions and everything. I also have all this uploaded to my GetKraken so that I can better show you, and you can kind of go through that and check it out and everything like that. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and have a good day.